Good morning. You find us at COBS Bakery today. We are going to be cooking up some yummy treats. I guess I should say baking though, right?
Yeah, we should say baking.
Okay.
My bakers would kill me.
This is Claire, the owner. And what are we baking today, Claire?
Get we're going to start off with our peach scone. It's our new summer one and it's excellent. It's really yummy and it's selling beautifully. So we're going to get you making some peach scones. We're going to make it from scratch. We have all our ingredients here.
Okay.
And get time.
I'm ready. My hands are clean. I've rolled up my sleeves.
Yeah, let's get
first?
going. So we have our scone mix here, which we're going to empty into that bowl.
All of it?
All of it. So I'll weigh it up for you.
Done?
You have cinnamon spice.
How much cinnamon?
4 grams of cinnamon spice right there.
Okay.
Gives it a nice little touch. You have some white chocolate chips, 200 grams.
Yes. Now we're talking. I am all about the chocolate chips.
Yeah. We have some peach puree, which gives it a nice taste.
I'm going to scoop all that in there?
Absolutely. Everything goes in there. It tastes really yummy. I did try it once.
How long have you guys been making these scones?
We've been making them since May, I believe. Yeah, May. I can't remember exactly the day, but yeah.
And they're seasonal, right?
They're seasonal. They're our new one for this year.
Do you guys make the puree too?
No,
Looks
we don't make the
so
puree,
fresh.
but it is so nice and so yummy.
Okay.
And then we have a lemon juice. It helps to cut the sweetness of it, and it really balances out the scones
Kind of
really
cuts
nicely.
it.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then we have some frozen peach here, which
Toss it in?
all tossed in.
This is great. See, now if I was baking at my house, I would love it if someone would just lay out the ingredients for me. That would make my life so much easier.
Yeah, a lot quicker for sure.
Of course.
Okay.
All right.
And time to get your hands in there. You're going to mix it up into a nice ball.
My hands?
Absolutely.
Really?
Yep, absolutely.
Oh, yes. This is awesome. Much fun. Oh my gosh, now you guys make everything from scratch in here, don't you?
Everything is made from scratch every day, and whatever we don't sell goes to a local charity.
We're going to be talking a little bit more about that with Mark coming up.
Yes.
What time do you guys get to work?
So we usually start anything between 2:30 and 3:30, depending on the day. So yes, it's an overnight job, and it's really great fun.
You've got morning show hours. We work the same hours.
If you ever want to come in and join us, we'll train you.
I know. I think I'm going to be like, guys, I don't feel like doing the morning show today. You guys are on your own for chit chat. I'm going over to COBS. We're just down the street too, which is so great. We're in Waterdown, so
we're going to add a little bit of water as well into that.
Okay.
The mix. So I'm just going to mix that in for you. Fabulous. Now you want to get into a nice stiff ball now that all the ingredients, dry ingredients mixed in.
Oh yeah, this is so much. Am I doing it right, or am I just making a mess?
Keep going, keep going. We'll get you. So we'll get you a point where you're going to form into a nice ball. Keep going.
Got to mix all the.
It does come together. I know
it does eventually.
Thinking, but no, it does come together really well.
It's a workout. Like your arms and biceps and triceps must get so strong doing this day after day.
A baker's life is physical.
It is. It really
is. On your
is.
feet constantly, so hands keep moving.
I don't know. I feel like if I was a baker, all I would do is eat constantly.
Well, you know, you can eat. That's fine.
But
we will burn off those calories.
You would be like, Emily, stop trying the bread. Get over here.
Oh, don't worry. Don't worry. You work, you eat, balances out.
Okay. All right. Well,
so, yeah, we're gonna
what's
whip
next?
that all into nice. Make sure all your dry scone mix is mixed in. And I'm gonna put some flour on the table. Flour is always our friend when we're baking.
All right. Well, coming up, we are going to be making more yummy treats, baking more yummy treats. So don't go anywhere. Make sure you stay with us on Morning Live. Welcome back to COBS Bread Bakery, and we are cooking up some Danishes. I had no idea they looked like that, Francesco, before you actually cooked them.
Yes, so this is our new peach Danish, and then we love a lot. It's very, very good.
Everybody seems to love it. It's super popular here. Flies off the shelf.
Very popular. So we love this. So we start to fill it up with some custard and peach
puree.
Yes,
Okay.
and then I gotta do one. Okay.
Oh, okay. Easy. I can do that. Yep, no problem.
Now you can do the rest.
Oh boy. Oh boy. Okay, so what goes into, you know?
Just in the middle, they go peach, like in the inside the paste, they go peach.
Okay. Oh, they've got peach inside.
Peach inside, yeah.
Oh, that's right.
And then custard.
Gosh.
They
so
mix
good.
all together.
Uh-oh. Oh no!
It's okay. It's fine.
I guess you're not gonna hire me after that. Just a little mistake.
You're good. You passed the test.
Yes.
Don't worry.
Okay, what comes next?
Okay, that's it. So next come with the peach. Like
Okay.
a piece of peach. I'm gonna show you one, and then you can do the rest.
Okay.
Just that kind of amount.
Oh, so that's easy.
Yeah.
And these are all made from scratch. Everything.
Yeah.
I love that.
The peach is frozen, like.
But it's frozen from fresh.
Yeah.
And now, does it make a difference if the peach is frozen before you cook it than if it was raw, like, or
If
thawed?
they're really raw, like they make like lots of water when you cook, when you bake.
Oh, that makes sense to me.
So
Am I putting too much on? That's good?
yeah,
Okay.
good.
Ta-da!
There you go. That's it.
That's it?
And then go in the oven.
That's it, eh? Huh, that's great.
There we go.
Thank you. Oh my gosh, I love the fact that everything is made from scratch.
Okay, so we're going to take it out.
Oh, we're gonna take it out now.
The Danish
Okay, here,
over
you
there.
probably need that.
Yeah.
How great is this bakery? There's 5 different locations, by the way. We're at the Waterdown location right now where I'm trying my baking
So
skills.
you're gonna take it out, or you want to?
Yeah, I'm gonna take it out.
There we go.
Oh, I'm kind of scared I'm gonna
Yeah.
burn myself.
Not the other way. Like you're gonna put it like this.
Oh, okay, I got it. Tell I spent a lot of time in the kitchen.
Use
Oh, this one too?
Yeah. Make sure you grab from this 2 sides.
Okay. Let's not burn yourself on live TV.
No, be careful, no rush. You turn around and you just keep.
Oh my gosh, look what I just made. I'm just kidding.
and
Francesco
then
made these.
You slime off like. You
Just
slime
like-
off like that. Yeah,
Oh,
exactly.
I get it. Okay,
There
all
we go.
right. Look at this baking experience. There's so much more coming up here from COBS Bakery, but for now, I'm going to send things back inside the studio. Josh is joining me now, and we are about to make some buns at COBS Bakery. And Josh, what's the best part about being a baker?
The best part about being a baker, you get to get up before the sun every day. You get to see that sun coming up on your drive in, and it's just the best. You know you're going to make all that bread, and you know you're going to be there all day, and you're going to work hard. It's going to be fantastic.
That's awesome. So
Yeah.
if someone asks me what the best part of being on a morning show is, that is my exact
it's the
answer
early
from now on.
mornings, yeah.
It's like I get to see the sunrise every
Great.
single day.
Yeah.
Okay, what are we making?
So we are making more specifically than just hamburger buns. These are our gourmet hamburger buns.
Ooh, of course they are.
They're a customer favorite for sure.
I bet.
So with these, I'll show you how we do them. We take the
Okay.
big headed dough.
Yep.
We mark them so we know that that's going to be a hamburger. We can make hot dogs out of them too, but
Okay.
for today we're going to make some hamburger
Is it
buns.
true that like you've won awards for making buns?
Oh, I don't keep them here, but yeah, that rumor
Is that
could
really
be,
a thing?
That rumor could be true. you know.
Really? He's
I'm not gonna-
award winning.
I'm not going to confirm nor deny that. but
Okay, so what is this that you're spreading it out
so
on?
this is our rounder plate. You can see how it's got the 30 little like divots on
Yep.
it. So these are what's basically going to act like 30 little hands, rounding this into little dough balls of bread for us.
Oh, okay.
So I just throw a little flour on top, so it's not too sticky.
James, spread it all the way.
Yeah, I should spread it all.
Sorry, I don't mean to be
caught
telling
me.
you how to
Oh,
do your
yeah.
job.
Maybe they're going to take those awards back, but that's all right.
Josh is missing the edges.
So we come over, I make sure that I just set this up right.
What is this machine? This thing
This
was
is
walking
our-
around like R2-D2 before.
She's called Erica. We
Hi,
also
Erica.
Looks a little like R2-D2 if you're a Star Wars fan.
Well, it
but-
was walking around like R2-D2 just a second ago.
She'll run off on you if you're not paying attention. But so yeah, so I've set it up to number 6 here. That's going to be our size setting.
Okay.
It's pretty simple. We just throw it right in. Look for that little latch. Secure.
Then what?
I'm going to grab this. You're going to hear a little bit of air come out. And the blades come all the way down. And then we just kind of count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Watch this. This is the magic. This is the magic I know you're going to love. Cool. Aren't they beautiful?
Oh my gosh!
Now, I do have to cut this one. But otherwise, look at those. Right? You take one big dough. And now we're ready for making gourmet buns. So.
Oh my gosh, that just made your life and John. No
Oh.
wonder you're award winning.
Yeah,
Jeez,
yeah, yeah.
He uses machines.
Well, you know, I couldn't have done it without Erica.
Yeah,
So.
you and Erica are a great
Would
team.
you like to try one?
Well, I'll
Yeah?
give it a go.
You should give it a go.
I'll give it a go before we throw things back
Yeah.
inside the
So you
studio
wanna
because
take that,
okay.
and you're just gonna kind of scoop underneath, sort of follow it around. It'll go.
It'll go, he says. It's so
Yeah.
heavy. I can't believe like how much muscle
There you
you
go.
guys put into your work.
Just flip her right over.
Oh,
That's okay, yeah, yeah.
done.
Perfect.
Ooh, watch those
So now what I do
fingers.
is just kind of pop them out. Yeah. Exactly. If it's giving you trouble, we'll just throw a little flour on
If it's
there.
giving you trouble, you naughty bread. All right. Thank you, Josh.
Yeah.
I now know how to make buns.
And then we're just pulling it over here.
I don't know if I'm going to win any awards, but make sure you stay with us because there is a lot more coming up on Morning Live. Welcome back to COBS Bread in Waterdown, just one of 5 locations. Mark, this is the best part of the segments as far as I'm concerned. This is where I get to try the goods.
This is what we've been working on all day. We've had our experience with the peach Danishes and the peach scones, so now we're actually going to have Emily just try a little bite from each.
Okay.
So we'll actually start with our peach scone, and you saw this one earlier was made with our chocolate chip, white chocolate chips, our cinnamon, and most of all those fresh peaches which are just in season. What do you think, Emily?
I think I did a great job.
I think so too. They look actually nice and perfect, and you saw that we have a whole bunch in there. Next up is your work with Francesco on our ovens, creating our little peach Danish.
Yes, I did.
This has been a huge treat this summer. We have our regular blueberry, our regular raspberry, and these are really a nice sweet summer treat with that little white fondant drizzle on top. So we'll try
Okay.
a little taste of that. Get right into the middle there.
I didn't get in the middle. I got to break it. I gotta
Rip
get
it
some-
apart. It's truly a great treat made with a nice fluffy croissant pastry.
Oh my gosh, it is so
You
good.
can really taste the butter come right out in that.
Best part of my job.
Exactly. And one thing I'd like to say is you see a lot of the food here. One of the things that got me, I opened our Brantford location last November, and one of the things that really got me into this business is what we do at the end of the day.
Okay.
You see all this bread here, and we'll make sure we have the same amount of start as at end of day, because every COBS gives $1,000 worth of product each day to local charities.
Every day.
Every day. So in Brantford, I partnered with both Six Nations Food Bank, really helping them. They've really been struggling to get bread, and we've had that. As well as we have a unique one in Brantford, BL's Little Pantry. Bria is a little teenage girl who's managed to basically realize there was food insecurity here. It
Yeah.
has 4 pantries around Brantford
I
that
love
stock
that.
with fresh vegetables, fruits, as well as COBS bread that anyone who needs can go reach in and just grab out. So to me as an owner, this is much more than a business. It's an opportunity for us to give back and something that all of the owners here share.
Wow, that is such a great message to share with the community for people like myself who didn't know that you guys gave back in that form every single day. Because yeah, there is so much food waste in the
Yep.
community, and to know that you guys are trying to A, eliminate that, and B, help out, that's fantastic.
And we really give a big thank you to our end of day partners who work with us. All of us from here, from the Dundas, the Ancaster, the Stony Creek, the Waterdown, and the newest Brantford one. We're all happy to be part of the community and hope to see you guys all come out.
Well, thank you so much for having us. We've had so much fun today. I got my hands dirty doing some baking, so come on down to your local COBS Bread. You know they give back to the community. Try one of these yummy, tasty treats. We've got peach scones, peach Danishes. You don't want to miss them.